Hello everybody, I am Arindam. Welcome to Canvas tutorial. And today I am going to discuss about the previous year's questions related to your Hammett equation. You know that this is quite important from your GATE and NET perspective. And this is a special topic for GATE 2021. And I have already covered all the theory parts in my previous two videos. So if you haven't watched those videos, then I have put the link in the description box. You can go there and watch them first and then come to this lecture, because that will be much helpful for you. Whatever we have learned so far, I am going to apply this in several previous years questions regarding your NET and GATE examination. So without a further ado, let's get started. Okay, let's begin with the Hammett equation previous years questions. This is the first question from June 2020 examination. You can clearly see that it is a deprotonation reaction of the carboxylic acids. So after the deprotonation, there will be negative charged. Okay, so they all will be negative charged, and this X is basically over here. This substituent is present, and if there is no mention of that, so just for your simplicity, you can think that it is a electron withdrawing group which has a role to stabilize the negative charge. Now you can see that this electron withdrawing group, when it is present in the para or meta position, irrespective of the nature of the group, they will always exert inductive effect, not the resonance, because this negative charge has no scope to enter the ring. So I have discussed this in details in the previous video. So if you do not understand, then pause the video and go for the go to the description box, and there you can find the link of my previous video. There you can watch it. So this is basically exerting the inductive effect. Okay, and basically you can see that the minus I effect is exerting to stabilize this CO2 minus. So that is why the reaction is proceeding. Now if you compare the rate of the stabilization, you can say the inductive effect is distance dependent. So in the case of A, there is a minimum distance between this X and the CO2 minus, and the distance is gradually increasing from A to B to C. So the extent of stabilization is decreasing. So the rho value, the magnitude, if you compare the magnitude of the rho value, so it will be higher in highest in case of the A, then B, then C. So over here you can see this is the magnitude of the rho value, and if you see what is the sign of the rho value, you can see during the course of the reaction negative charge is generated, so electron density is increasing, so rho value will be positive. So in all the cases rho value will be positive, and it is the order. So from here option C, this option will be your correct answer. Now I repeatedly say that if you don't understand what is happening, you need to just follow the theory part. I have already covered all the theory with detailed explanation in the previous two videos. So was that first, then only it is helpful, because it is only the application part of those this theory of what you have learned so far. Okay, now coming to the next question, which is saying the here also the base catalyzed hydrolysis, and during the course of the reaction negative charge is generating. So electron density is increasing, so rho value will be positive. Now if you compare these two, over here the distance between this X and this CO2, I mean this negative charge, if you compare this one, so the distance is increasing. Since the inductive effect, I effect, okay, in I effect is distance dependent, the similar explanation, distance dependent. So that is why the magnitude, if you compare the magnitude of the rho, so magnitude of rho, so it will be higher in A than B, because here there is a this X is closer to CO2 minus. So clearly in both the cases it will be positive, and A rho for A is larger positive value than the B. So this is what is happening. So you can easily choose option number C, I mean 3. Okay, so now moving on to this question. Now this has been detailed discussed in the previous class. So this is a plot from the non-linear Hammett plot. And why it is non-linear? Because you can see the first step of the reaction is the production of this kind of positively charged species. This positive charge is delocalized with the help of this aromatic ring. So it is the stabilizing step, and it is a rate determining step over here. And after that water molecule attack over here. So it is basically producing this one. So in the first step, it is the first step, you can see there is a positive charge is generating, so electron density is decreasing. So if electron density decreases, then rho value will be negative. So the first step is the negative, and in the second step the exact opposite thing is happening. That means the electron density is increasing, and that is why the rho value is getting positive, what is happening over here. So during the course of the reaction, the mechanism of the reaction is changing. So in the first case, there is a positive charge generation, and in the second step, the electron density is getting increased. So there is a change in the mechanism, and that is why your option number D is your correct option. Okay, and moving on to the last question. In this case, just by eliminating the options, you can easily conclude. Now just focus on these two options. I mean these two entry number B and entry number D. So in entry number B and D, in both the cases, you can see it is a ionization of the carboxylic acid, corresponding carboxylic acid, and over here the negative charge is generating. So in both the cases, rho value will be positive. So rho value is positive in both the cases because the negative charge is generating, electron density is increasing during the course of the reaction. Now comparing these two systems, you can see that over here the distance between this aryl group where the substituent electron withdrawing substituent is present, that is why it is written aryl, not pH. So this aryl group is quite far apart with respect to the CO2 minus group, and over here this aryl group is closer to the CO2 minus, so better stabilization will occur in D. So the magnitude of rho, so you can see the entry number D will have greater magnitude as compared to B, and both will be the positive value. Now if you see the positive values 1, 2 and 3, these are the positive values which are given over here. So in case of the option A, you can see here B is 4. 4 means the negative value, so negative value cannot happen, so option A is already ruled out. Now in case of option B, you can see over here the B is 1, so B has the value 8.5 plus, and D is 3, so D has the value plus 0.49. So in this case, entry B is greater than entry D. So this is not the case over here, so option B is also ruled out. If you compare the option C, over here B is 2, 2 means plus 1, and D is 3, 3 means 0.49 plus. So over here also B is greater than D, so this cannot be your answer, so this is also ruled out. Your only option left is D. And here also you can compare this, B is 3, 3 means 0.49, and D is 2, 2 means it will be your 1 plus 1. So in this case only B is greater than D. So only regarding this equation, what you have already just seen, that it is distance dependent, and regarding this equation, utilizing that, you can easily mark option number D. So in competitive exam, you need to know how to eliminate the options. So that is a quite important thing what you need to follow over there. These are simple questions and often question asked from these topics. You can see that the frequency of this kind of topics is increasing these days. If you see, this is a question from December 2019, this is a question from June 2020. For 2 successive exams, the same kind of question has been asked. So you can expect one question in this year gate also. Okay, so that's all for today. Now I will upload the Taft equation very soon. So keep following Canvas tutorial, and if you like the video, then don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you. Happy learning.